Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. We're going over gonna review something that I got the other day. My last video, I got AirPods version 1. So, what's wrong with my lighting? They're pretty amazing. That's all I have to say about it. Just kidding, that's all I have to say about it. So, my last video was not good at all in any way. So, I'm sad for you. These are the AirPods version 1. So, I might go ahead and get AirPods version 2 as well for the next video, but here they are. These are the ones that you need to charge with a wire. So that I think is totally fine without the wireless. I know there's get extra and stuff, but let's just do this review. So we have the case, which is shining and very nice. It comes in a very nice box. If you want to go see the unboxing video and like what comes inside, then go watch the unboxing video. It was the last video. Here it is. Pretty cool. So right here on the front we have a little divot, and if you open from the divot, then you can see inside there's a light, and that light will show the battery of the earbuds, so the pods. So these are, the green light shows the battery. So if it's green, then these are fully charged, and if it's red or orange, then it is not fully charged. It might be a 99 though, so that's fine. But if you don't have your AirPods in, and then you open it, and it shows a color, that will be the color of how much your case is charged. In this case, charges the AirPods. So it's pretty cool, actually. So let's say I use them for a while, doing whatever I do with them. Let's say I was listening to music, but then it would show the different light. But here we go, moving on from the case. It does have this little metal thing on the back, which has nothing to do with it at all, but it looks okay on the thing. And when you open it, it hides. But it's very shiny, as you can see. That's a wobbly case, and I love doing this. It's just amazing. It's in by itself with more magnets, and it's just awesome. So let's get now, instead of the case. So yeah, moving on from the case, we're going to go to the AirPods themselves. Here are the AirPods, guys. They look super cool. I love them. I've been using these for a couple days now. I already said that like 5 times now. I know that this does a lot of sound, so don't break these, please. And if you, so let's say you're listening to music, right? You have both AirPods in, it will make a little noise when you know they're synced. There's so much to talk about here. These are the little speakers, and they make amazingness. And right here it says right on the right one and left on the left one, and then under they have like little plastic or metal rings around the bottom that look okay. I think that Apple should make like a matte black or a jet black version of these. That would be so cool. But when you put it in, it makes a noise. So let's say I just use that one, and you can use it separated. So like, let's say I have my case and you're at the park showing off with your friends in your AirPods, and you have your 2 AirPods in, then you want to listen to music because they're boring. So you pull out your AirPods, right? And you want to still talk to them, but you want to listen to some music, right? So you can open up your AirPod case and pull out whatever one you want to use. So let's say I want right, put that in, that one, or say tell Siri to do it, and she does everything for you on here. So if you have both in or just one in, it's totally fine. You can call friends, play music, skip music, pause music, play music, find location, find my iPhone, do all that great stuff, direct me, give me directions. It's just, everything is perfect. Look things up on the internet. She does all that for you and tells you inside the AirPods. Inside the AirPods, on each one there is a secret button hiding right there on this. Oh my. So this is the right one. Hiding right there on the back, there's a secret button, and same on this one. So then you can use it, and you have to double tap them to work though, so if you're just like pulling it out, it's not going to work. You have to double tap the button, and then it will skip a song or decline a phone call. But they look super shiny. Okay. Huh!